Hello everyone and welcome back to this video. Today we're gonna speak on the Eurusd trade we took today. And just to say, GBP JPI has been running kinda not good. You guys remember my daily swing? If you've seen my previous videos, the entry, we're still targeting this weekly zone up here. So first of all, we came in at 9 as usual. So this is the 30 minutes lines for EURUSD that we want to trade from. And we can see that it's a imbalance that is not filled all the way, but we do not care about that because this is the imbalance we are looking at when we're coming in, and the price can reverse in any place of this imbalance. But we're using our strategy, our entry strategy, to enter the trade. So we're going into the 5 minutes. We're coming in at 9 o'clock. You see here we're coming down, and here this candle is the 9 candle. So we want to take an entry from this imbalance, the last imbalance. We're coming up and we're coming down. When we're breaking this wick, we're taking a entry. We're taking this entry here, and it's really important to have the risk management, guys, because otherwise I believe you would have gone minus on this day. So first of all, we took this trade when this wick broke this wick, but then we came up and broke our candle that should be holding. So already here we took out half position when this candle broke, and this is how we keep our losses small and our winners big. We came up, taking out half position. We're coming up again because this high here should hold. Why should it hold? Because this is the high that filled the imbalance move, so we do not want a candle break of this one. And then we got a new entry here because we were loading this trade up. We got a new entry because we got a wick of this high, because this high could not be broken. If this high got broken by a candle, we would not take another load up or a load up. So we're seeing this wick here, we're seeing the grab, and then we're thinking, oh shit, I believe we're still short because we're not breaking this wick. And then when we're breaking this candle, we're taking the trade and we're putting our stop loss here because price shouldn't come up again. It should just drop down hard. And then we were targeting this area down here. We're coming down. This trade right here, the stop loss is a lot smaller, so the RR will be a lot higher. So we actually closed this trade at this 30 minutes wick here. We're kinda lucky with the exit, but we got it up here. I always have a target, and then I always have my profit target some pips above. So around here we got the exit, and then we put down the other trade, the other trade stop loss to here, and then we got down, and then we just got up again, and then we got stopped out on the other one. But as I said before, we got a clean trade here, and this trade and the first trade we took, it was already out. It was already out half the position. So we had our stop loss here, took another trade here. Here was the other trade. When this got down to this low, we put our stop loss down here. And the percentage risk on this trade is a lot smaller now because we've already taken out, we have already managed our risk. So this was a loss and the other trade was a win. And that's how you keep your losses small and your winners high. And that was just a fast video on this trade. It was not so special, just a simple entry criteria, and then price just ran up. But of course, maybe we want to run to those highs, but I believe we will go to this weekly zone. But that was it, guys. Leave a like if you like the content. More of this is coming, and have a beautiful day. Peace. Whoops.